Ready to transform your Google Earth views into breathtaking visuals. First, launch Google Earth Pro, the desktop version. It's essential for high-quality rendering. Then, navigate to the area you want to capture. Once you have your desired location on screen, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Click Save and then select Save Image. This opens up the image saving options. Now, look closely at the options that appear above the map view here. You can adjust the resolution to create high-quality renders. Max resolution is your best bet for presentations and printing. Also, you can toggle map options like legends and titles to show or hide them in your saved image. Experiment with these map options to customize your final image for a clean render. You might want to turn them off. For the highest quality, remember to choose max resolution from the resolution drop-down menu. While a higher resolution increases rendering time, it ensures a crisp and detailed final image. Finally, after setting your desired options, hit the Save Image button. A window will pop up allowing you to name your image file and select the folder to save it, and that's it. You've now created a high-quality render from Google Earth. Use these visuals to enhance your presentations, reports, or creative projects. Subscribe for more Google Earth tips and tricks.